Hey guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro. In this video, I'll teach you how to make and guess the number game, which you can make in Python very easily. So let's get started. First, you need to import a module called random, and you don't need to install it. It's already there on your computer. Next, you will make a variable called correct answer. So if in case the user gets an correct answer, we'll use that in the later stages of the code. So right now you don't need to worry about it. Now you need to type random dot randint and then brackets, and over here you give the value till where you want to keep the game. From which number do you want to start and where do you want to end? For example, I want my system to choose a number from between 1 and 20. So we'll choose a number between 1 and 20 and store it in this variable, and we can use it afterwards. Next, we'll create an game over variable. So game over equals to false. Next, we'll keep and let's say while loop if you want to keep the game going. So while game over equals to false, like that, and then we'll be like player guess. Yeah, that's fine name. Player guess equals to int, and then inside this int input, and then what number do you choose between the given values, which is 1 and 20. So what number do you choose between 1 and 20, colon and a space. Next will be like if player guess. So if the player guess is the correct answer, for example, um, first we'll print all we'll make another variable which I'll name it as compare answer, and inside that we'll keep it as right. So for now it's going good. Next will be like game over true. So the game will get over and the user will play the game once again if he or she wants to. Next, what we will do is we'll make an elif loop. Elif, if the player guesses let's say more than the correct answer, first I'll print your answer is higher than the value, and then after that once again an elif, let's say it's smaller than the given answer, so smaller than the correct answer, we will print your answer is lower than the given value or number, so that the user doesn't get confused what is value. And next will be like if compare answer equals to right. So if compare answer equals to right, one second, yeah, then we will print correct and good job. And then elif let's say, oh, we have missed some code over here. Compare answer, right? Compare answer, yep, we have missed two lines of code. Okay. So compare answer equals to height right here, and compare answer equals to low. Just make sure that you are adding these changes. Okay, compare answer right. Okay, correct. Good job. And then we'll be like elif. If the compare answer is let's say height, then uh, what we will do is yeah, your answer is too high. Or we'll just copy this line over here, right? Yeah. So what we need to do is just print, and whatever you wrote for the given value. So like in this example, your answer is higher than the value slash number. So just copy what you wrote over there, and elif compare answer is lower. So over here we have kept it as low, is low, print your answer is lower than the given value slash number. Then you can remove all these extra code over here. You can just leave it as compare answer low because we are doing it anyways over here. And yeah, we'll just run and see. Uh, so we have an error over here, and it's saying that there's an error in the second line, which is oh, okay. We should not add these codes. Yeah, it's only for strings, and I forgot that. Oof, okay, it should work now. Yep. So what number is used? Your answer is lower. 6. So 18. 9. 10. So it's working perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and you will like, share and subscribe this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll meet you in the next video, and we'll do more projects like these. Well, we only took 20 lines to do this big project, and it's a very good project. You can just play this game anytime you want, whenever you are too bored, and it will be just fine. It's not that boring. So yeah, that's for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.